Hey crew, welcome back to the channel. We will be doing some red beans and rice. We have butter here. We have the red bean seasoning. We have the red beans. We have white onion or yellow onion, red and yellow and orange bell pepper. If you like to see this full video, please stick around. I also will be doing jiffy cornbread.
Alright, you guys, I put both of the camellia bag beans in here. I washed them thoroughly, probably about 5-6 times until they came out clear. I picked out the ones that was kind of looking, you know, a little old. And then y'all already seen, I had the Zatarain's red bean seasoning. And make sure you get the red bean seasoning and not the one that says red beans and rice, because that's the complete meal. I got 3 boxes. I already put one in there. That's why the water with this color. I'm going to do another full box and then a half. I'm not going to do 3 full boxes.
You can't get that.
I could, but I'm not. And I always start my beans off with cold water. You can do as you choose, but I've always been taught cold water, so that's what I do. I know a lot of people ask me what's all in the red bean seasoning, so I'm going to just show you guys the box.
Or you can just go to Walmart and pick up a box and look at it.
You can screenshot it and you can see the calories and everything on it. And it's just simple. This is the back of it, because I know a lot of people say that they don't have this in their area. But it's just pretty much red bell peppers, onion, garlic, the stuff that you would normally put in your beans, your Trinity, and they have a little roux in there.
Okay, Queen, so what are we doing over here? What's going on in this pan?
I have a stick of butter in here, and I'm about to add, excuse me, my onions. What, yellow fail? I'm about to add my onions, bell peppers. I know I was going to drop some, but it's okay. Countertop clean. I'm going to use them. Stove clean. I'm going to use them. And yes, I did say that they have those bell peppers and onions in the, what's the thing? That box of, the box, but I'm still going to add it.
In this mixture?
Yes, but I still want to add my own. You still want to add your own stuff. Never just go by what the box says. Unless it comes down to salt. You got to control your salt content.
Okay, but she's going to get these sauteed up. And when we get to the next step, I'll bring y'all back. Cool, we back. We have a stick of butter in the same pan that we sauteed the vegetables in.
I'm not going to put them in there yet.
And this is going to be the best meaty red beans that you ever had. Louisiana style. So she's going in with her smoked neck bone first. And we're doing 3 different types of meat, guys. She's gonna allow these to saute some. And we also have smoked turkey necks that's going in the red beans. And we have smoked sausage that's going in the red beans. So, like I said, guys, this is going to be a real meaty, hearty recipe. And this is how the red beans starting to look. You see all that flavor in there. But when we get ready to flip these, I'll bring you back. Okay, so she's about to flip them. And it smells so good, y'all. Look at that. Hey guys, I'm going to try to give y'all as much possible footage as I can. And she's also going to do the same thing to the turkey neck and the smoked sausage. So, y'all remember that. And once we get to the next step of the process of cooking these red beans, I'll bring you guys back. Okay, crew, so we back. And the queen have a separate pot right here. And she used water and the broth from the pan she's smoking the neck bone and the turkey neck. And she's gonna add these into this pan and allow them to get tender. And once they get tender enough, she's gonna add it to this pot right here. So when we get a little bit along the way in our step of making the best meaty red beans and rice Louisiana style, we'll bring you guys back. And as y'all see, she's added meat into her broth already. So y'all stay tuned.
You guys, after 35 minutes, these are the smoked turkey necks. These are the neck bones. If I can get it up. And then of course the onions, bell peppers, and you guys did not see it, but from that cast iron skillet, after I fried the smoked sausage, I took all of that good flavor and the butter and the seasoning and all that, and I poured it in here. So it's just, how it smell, babe?
It smells good. It smells really good.
And I did show it on my vlog that I'm doing. So if you guys interested in catching it, I just showed when I poured it in there. And I can try to transport a clip of it to Jordan so he can insert it if he wants, but I don't know. It's something about when you add, you know, all your flavor from your skillet and add it into that water.
That broth looking good. And crew, here go the red beans over here.
And remind them that this broth, all of this is going into this pot.
Yeah, all this broth right here is going in this pot right here with the red beans.
And the only thing that I did off camera that you guys did not see over here, I added some Mrs. Dash and some of my gumbo filet. You guys know I've said before I like to add gumbo filet to all of my Cajun dishes. And so if you're looking like there's not enough water, remember, I'm adding that broth in here as soon as it's done. And then they're going to cook for another hour. Jordan will be making me some rice, and we're going to have the chicken. And the cornbread, it's in the oven if you want to show you guys that.
Okay, crew, hold on. Okay, crew, so I brought y'all over here to the fryer. I'm frying this chicken. And the only thing I used was Tony Sashimi, salt, black pepper, and garlic and herb, no salt seasoning. It smells so good.
Yeah, you can smell that chicken from the back.
I know. And that's what it looked like, guys. Alright, crew. So, the queen then boiled the turkey necks, smoked neck bones, and now she's adding them to the red beans. And it smells so good in here, y'all.
Oh, look at that. They're gonna finish busting open in the next, the other next hour. All right. Well, I'm finna let Bae stir this meat up because that pot heavy now with all that extra meat in there. So I'm gonna let him stir it up, and then he's gonna add my the rest of the broth in. And then the last 30 minutes, we're going to go in with the smoked sausage. And I'm about to take my cornbread out. Your chicken done?
Yes, ma'am. I'm just trying to get it pushed down.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to do. I think I'm tired. I don't have no strength right now. And I think they'll go down a little bit more once he adds that broth, of course. And like I said, these beans still have another hour. As y'all see, they plumping up real nice and good.
How much broth?
You can put that whole pot in there.
You sure? They will be water.
They won't. Look at, put it in there first. Because that's not a lot of water. Because most of it don't cook now.
I like
Just start pouring.
I like them thick beans.
Yeah, I know you do. Just start pouring. But they got another hour to cook. Let's see. Okay, now let's see. Stir some. Well, let me put it like this. I don't want to get rid of the broth until I'm done.
Sure, that's a good amount of broth.
Yeah, that's good right there. I think I'll probably have to just add broth maybe one more time, because y'all know how beans is.
Yeah, let it cook down.
Sometimes they're a little fizzy.
If we need to add broth, we'll add some more.
Yep, because we'll still have this good old broth in here. You can turn it off though.
It's off.
Look at that. See that broth? I'll take it with some cornbread and just pour that broth over some cornbread. I'm sorry I'm smoking up your camera. They might want to see the smoke. But yeah. Okay. Because I can take some of that broth and put it over the cornbread. Y'all know I'm country fed.
Hey crew, I'm back showing y'all what the cornbread look like. And this is the cornbread right here. And I'm gonna fix a plate. And I'll show y'all the plate, so y'all hold on. Okay crew, here's the finished look of the red beans and rice. The meaty red beans with the turkey wings, smoked neck bones, and the smoked sausage. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please thumbs up the video. And if you're new over here, please subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and set post notifications to all. And we'll see y'all in the next video. We out. Peace.